What's going on, guys? Today I'll be cleaning these YEEZY 700. That's how they look. Let's get it started. It's not a little
I know the floor's gonna be dirty, you know. I gotta take these things off. These are very simple to clean. They're not too bad. I like
Alright guys, I'll be right back. I have to go get a bucket because the floor is looking real dirty. I don't have to clean that up. Okay, we're back. Nala, you want to say hi to the camera?
Oh, these were looking bad. Let's clean this one.
Nala, want to say hi to the camera?
Come say hi, Nala, come. My cat is very shy. Clean. Gonna do a special sauce. See how this thing gotta come out looking like. Some of these on that. A little oil for these. These are very reflective, so I have to somehow turn the brightness down. Hey, put them on your feet, Nala.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I love you guys. Be safe out there. Wear your reflective gear like I do. And I'm out of here, man.